morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Kerner, service technician for Chevrolet. I'm here with Heather. We are test driving the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. And what we're doing is just basically walking through some of the features and functionalities. So Heather, why don't you tell me what you like about the vehicle?
Alright, this is the first time I have ever been in the Blazer and driven it. Trying to pay attention to the road as we're doing this, but first things I realized, super comfortable. You step on the gas, it goes very smoothly, and little features and functions that I like. I do like the vents. Wasn't sure at first, but I do like the vents and how they work. If you can show them, Paul, how that is.
Well, basically, what you have is the vents. Actually, you can open and close here, but also, if you look at the digital display, you can actually turn the vent, and that changes your temperature both up and down. Very easy, tactile way to do it.
Another thing, when I first got in, I was checking everything out and could not figure out how to open the glove box. There's no handle. And there is a button up here that you push to open it.
Ta-da! And there's all the fun stuff inside.
What else? I'm trying to think. Now it's great. It's smooth. We were on some bumpy roads before when we went to get our coffee, and very smooth ride, even on the highway. Trying to watch my speed because it's just a great ride. I don't even know what to say.
So now your present vehicle is a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Now, what is the comparison between your Traverse and this vehicle? What are the differences that you feel?
This is much comfortable. I've had an Equinox before in the past. I now have, like you said, the Traverse. This is definitely right in the middle of the two, size-wise. Not sure the exact numbers, but it is right in the middle of the two. Obviously, the Traverse has 3 rows. This has 2, so it's not as much room as the Traverse.
You can see we got our stuff back there.
We have a bunch of stuff. You have your tools back there right now. There's still plenty of room. That's for sure.
Now, what about the feel? I mean, when you're driving, do you feel like you really get a good feel for the road and how the vehicle handles?
Oh, this thing is great. And we have our navigation system on right now on the touch screen, but also up here for the rear view camera. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, the rear view camera is a very interesting feature because it utilizes a camera with multiple depths and adjustments. So what you can do is you can actually go in and you can change the views that you have. You can change your brightness, and you can also change your indicated angles as well. So it definitely works very, very well as far as giving you a clear line of sight to the back, especially when you're driving at highway speeds or in the city. No blind spots and nothing to miss. You've got full view across, as you can see here, multiple lanes. You can see that vehicle passing in the distance. There's plenty of view. You can see everything that's behind you.
I'm curious, what is that little...
That little light is just it basically illuminates a little bit of the center stack here. That's what this light emitting diode is.
Okay.
No?
So yeah, I like it. It's only been a few minutes that I've been driving it. There's still a lot to check out. But we'll be doing that later today.
Yeah, we're going to be going through a lot more features and functionalities, including wireless charging, the actual center stack and the USB ports, and comfort and convenience, as well as the touring, sport, and performance modes. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye.